Hey boys and girls, Miss Patton here. Now that you have your sock ball ready, let's talk a little bit more about catching. If we want to be successful in catching, these are some things that we want to keep in mind. We want to make sure that we always have our eyes on the ball or the object that's coming towards us. Another thing is to have your hands move toward the ball or the object that you're trying to catch. On the bottom of my paper, you will see these silly drawings. So some things to think about. If the ball or the object is coming from waist or lower, you're gonna think about using your wriggly worm fingers to catch that object. It makes it easier. If the object or ball is coming from your waist or above, it's way up in the air, it's coming toward you, want to catch it. You want to think about having your butterfly fingers ready, okay? Fingers are up, they're ready, okay? Remember, our other thing to keep in mind was making our hands go toward the object. It's like you have claws, you're reaching out, you're trying to grab it. So today, with your sock ball, go ahead and grab it. I want you to practice along with me. We're gonna do 8 challenges with our sock ball. Some are easy, some are hard. So you have your sock ball ready. All right, the first one is just to toss and clap before that ball hits the ground. I'm gonna toss, clap before it hits, toss, clap before it hits. We'll practice each one of these 5 times together, then you can do more on your own. My last one, I think. All right. Notice, did I throw that way up toward the sky? No, I tossed it right above my head. I had it in control. Your next one is just to toss up your sock ball and catch it. Toss and catch. Easy, toss, catch. 3, 4, I have some sun in my eyes. 5. All right, next challenge. You're gonna try and toss up the sock ball, clap, and then catch it. So it's gonna be a toss, clap, catch, toss, clap, catch. Notice I'm not throwing it super high above my head. I'm keeping it under control. Give me one more. I think I might have lost count. All right, next challenge is you are gonna work with just your right hand. You're gonna toss it up with your right hand. You're also gonna catch it with your right hand. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next challenge. You know we got another hand. Let's practice with the left hand. Tossing it up with the left hand, catching it with the left hand. For 1, 2. If you drop it, it's okay. Just pick it up and start again. 3, 4, 5. All right, next challenge is you are going to toss it under your leg and catch it. So I'm gonna toss under my leg and catch it. Toss it under my leg. Oh, this is a tricky one. So practice a toss and a catch. Toss it under your leg, catch it. Give you one more. You can obviously try both legs. Next one is you are going to put your sock ball on your foot. You are going to lift that foot up and kind of flick the sock ball into the air and try and catch it. So I'm putting it on my foot. I place it on there. I lift my leg and I try and catch it. Whoop, gotta try that one again. Put my sock ball on my foot. I toss it up. Not as easy as it looks, okay? Our sock ball sometimes is not shaped exactly how we need it to be shaped, but we're just making do. Whew, this is a tricky one. Gonna give it one more try. Putting it on my foot, toss, up, catch it. All right, you can always try these using your left side, your right side. Your last challenge is to go and toss your ball with a family member or maybe a neighbor. It's up to you. Make sure you go back and try all the challenges with your sock ball. I'd love to hear your personal record, or maybe you can come up with a new one that we can share with others. Have a great week.